how to verify identity on Coinbase. If you would like to verify your identity on Coinbase, it is rather quite simple to do so. Open up the Coinbase app, and this is the type of interface you will see. After you make sure that you are logged into your account, it will by default ask you to verify your information from the top. So tap on the Get Started button next to verify your information, and here it will give you a list of requirements that you need in order to verify it. That is that you need to have your legal name, home address and date of birth, and a document which validates those details. Second, the last 4 digits of your social security number, and other options as such. So tap on the continue button over here, make sure to enter your first name, last name, then make sure to enter your date of birth over here, which has to be your legal date of birth by the way. Then enter the last 4 digits of your social security number, then tap on continue. After that, you must follow up with the other on-screen instructions so that you can go ahead and then upload your required documents. And after you do that, your identity on Coinbase will be successfully verified. This way you'll be able to verify your identity on Coinbase. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.